Hello, my name is Kelly Harbison, and today I want to talk about the big picture. Many times, we as leaders fail to see the big picture because of the distractions around us. We're multitasking, trying to get everything done at once. Therefore, we don't have the focus that we need to have on the project or the person in front of us. We're so busy trying to schedule everything and get everything in the 24-hour period done that we need to do. And this causes us not to see the big picture. But one way we can remember to see what's best for everyone when looking at the big picture is to prioritize. For me, my priorities are my students. They're the reason I do my job. I want them to accomplish their goals and to become the best that they can be, to realize their potential and to see their big picture. I'm a youth minister, and I also work with the Educational Talent Search program, and this program helps high school students prepare for college, and so my priority is the students. When you realize the big picture and what your priorities are, you realize that you can make a difference. For me, making a difference in the lives of students happens by being present, being available to the students, truly listening to them, having that mindful listening ear, staying focused on them when they're talking, and setting an example for them. Many of these students don't have an example at home, and I want to be the example that they need. Someone who is setting and reaching goals. Someone who is trying to be a mindful leader. Also knowing the students, knowing about them and their family and their background, helps them know that they're important. Knowing their goals and their dreams and their ambitions, and then providing them guidance so that they can see their big picture and realign their focus to where it needs to be to achieve those goals and dreams. That's how I want to accomplish this. That's how I want to make a difference for these students. Have I reached my full potential? No. I don't know that any of us ever reach our full potential in every aspect of life. But that's why we have to keep trying and keep learning and keep growing so that we can become better than we were yesterday. The reason I have not reached my full potential is because of distractions. I let things get in the way. I place importance on things that maybe shouldn't be as important. And I need to move some of those distractions out of the way. This class has shown me how distracted I have become. How great can I be? How great can any of us be? I think the sky's the limit for all of us. We will get out of life what we put into life. And so how great we can become is what we want to put into life. I intend to get there by keep on learning and keep trying to educate myself. Keep practicing these mindful leadership techniques to become a better leader. And not let those distractions hold me back. I found a quote by Bill Bradley. It says, "Leadership is unlocking people's potential to become better." I think first we have to unlock our own potential to become better. And when you do that, it creates the ripple effect. And you can truly unlock other people's potential to become better as well. Thank you.